Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini. Today I can show you this absolutely awesome, fully restored 1951 Ferguson Ted20 petrol TVO. Absolutely gorgeous, fully restored like I said, to show winning standard, and it's in the original Ferguson grey. Very rare tractor now, especially in this condition. The paintwork is to die for. Has been really well finished by a body shop to show standard. Look at that. I mean, it's just so smooth. Everything's been done on it. It's a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol TVO engine. There it is, all lovely, sweet as a nut. All the wheels have been refurbed. Absolutely everything's been done on it. I'll show you under the bonnet. I lift it up. There we go. It's got a twin tank. There we go. This tank here holds the TVO, which is empty at the moment, and this small tank is the petrol for initial starting, and then you switch it over to TVO. So on the right is the petrol, and then on the left is the TVO, which is a tractor vaporizing fuel, and well, vaporizing oil. So, and it really does smell nice when it's running on that. It's like, well, it's like the old, if you can smell the 2-stroke motorcycle engines, you get that distinctive smell. And this is the same with old tractors. That TVO smell was just lovely. But it runs perfectly on petrol. It's been fitted with a battery isolator with there, so when you leave the tractor you just isolate it. It's got running lights, which are nice. And look at the wheels, they're absolutely lovely, aren't they? Brand new tyres. It is show standard now. I'm sure it would win many shows if it was put in. It's a work of art. Just look at that, deep dish wheels. Hey, you wish cars would be this sort of condition. It's almost an identical match to the Volkswagen Nardo Grey. Now that is so popular now, so 75 years later, how funny is that colour come back? Yeah, it's lovely. It's even got the original date stamps from the factory. And this tractor, by the way, has had one previous owner from brand new. One owner. And they decided to restore it to concours standard after spending around £8,000 on the restoration. I got to hear about it and bought it. I just had to have it. I've had quite a few tractors. Now, Massey Fergusons were a few years later, and they were normally in red. But the original Fergies were, the little grey Fergies were grey. And I think they're beautiful. I love it in grey. Absolutely lovely. Sits lovely on the grass. Drives lovely. What I'll do is I'll fire it up for you, like I normally do. So you turn that fuel on. The ignition on there. And the light should come on. Yeah, the ignition light's there. And the starter is on the gear lever. So you just flick it. How lovely is that? Nice steering wheel too. I've been firing it up for a few days with no choke whatsoever, obviously the weather. Now you can, I'll just turn that down. Now listen to that engine. Now I must stress, this engine, you cannot hear a knock, a rattle, anything. Stunning. I love it. Pretty sure this is going to be a keeper. Yeah, there we go. 1951 little grey Fergie. Awesome. Oh, we've got a little toolbox as well, look. All restored, beautifully done. Look at that. All clean. Love these original seats as well. I have got a black padded seat cover, but I think it looks nice like it is. And there's the light switch. Just there. There we go, all the lights work. Headlights. Yeah. Beautiful. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, as there will be more to follow. And I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.